back activation, right? For proper back activation, you always want to get into the correct positioning and aspects of, we can come here, and for example, just pull it all day, right? But in order to really get full contraction, we want to start with a full stretch at the top, arch our back, shoulders down, and then you want to actually think about driving your elbows forward in order to squeeze and activate the lat. So in order to get that proper activation, we like to come over to the assisted pull-up. Because with the assisted pull-up, we can take some weight off of our body weight and really focus on those 3 keys that I talked about. So to go over the assisted pull-up now, we'll take the hands on a wide grip. When we come down, just get acclimated with just coming straight down underneath and stretched underneath the machine. So from here, just get comfortable to the point where like I can hang out here all day. Now, once I'm ready, I'm gonna think about arching my back, compressing my shoulders down, and notice when I arch my back, my body shifts backwards and activates underneath my armpit, all that meat right there, which is the lat. So once again, watch what happens when I arch my back. All that meat goes right forward, and now I'm pushing my shoulders down and driving the elbows forward.